Hello, stock traders. I hope all of you are having a good afternoon. In today's video, I'm going to cover some stocks within the ARKK ETF that I think are at a good buy point. You might be asking yourself, good buy point? Stock market's been selling off. Well, you want to be buying stock when there's panic in the streets, and this is a good opportunity, in my opinion. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know your situation, but in my opinion, this is a good time to buy up some values, and I like some of the stuff that I'm seeing. You'll just have to see whether you agree with me, don't agree with me. Please leave comments in the comment section down below and what you think of this video series. I plan on doing other ETFs, active ETFs, and other investors, and taking a look at how they line up with different buy signals that I look at. But before we get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, consider subscribing and turning on those bell notifications so that you get notified when a new video comes out. I do have a Patreon group. I have a link in the description down below if you want my insider alert stocks with significant insider activity. Then that is a place you will want to be. I really hope to see you there. All right, well, let's get to work. Let's take a look at some of these stocks. There are a lot of stocks within Cathie Wood's ARK ETF that are really good and that I like, but these are 8 stocks that I really like the best. And so we'll just have to see how you think of it and what you think. But here we go. Okay, so the very first one is Roku Incorporated, ticker symbol ROKU. Now, each one of these are a week's time, so every candle is a week's time. And we got some big buy signals here, some really nice buy signals. A great time to buy this anywhere under 59 or so, $60, I think is a really good buy. I like how we've come to this double bottom kind of look. And then also we have 2 weekly buy signals. This is in the middle of the week, so when I'm filming this video, this is on Tuesday, and so this has had a day here. And you can see that Roku had a really nice move today of 5.71%. I think it's just getting going, and we could see it move quite a bit further from here. But I do love these buy signals, and we'll just have to see if you agree. But anyway, Roku appears to be a really good deal and a great value right at the moment. All right, the next is Block, ticker symbol SQ. This is within the ARKK ETF, and Cathie Wood has had this for a very long time. You can see here there has been quite a few buy signals here. And this one right now, I think, is a really good buy, especially right around the $40 mark. This is a great value. It wasn't very long ago, and this stock was well over 80, and in fact, it's been over 140 and higher. And so I like this for a move upwards. Now that we have these buy signals here, I am looking for an entry point on this particular stock. The next one is Exact Sciences Corporation, ticker symbol EXAS. And we have some DeMark buy signals here. A really, really great deal to be loading up right around this level. You could have seen if you would have loaded up here before in the past. This was way back in June over here, so June of 22. If you would have loaded up, you would have got it in right around $40. And you can see a sell signals here that look really great, right around $73. So that is a phenomenal move. And now we are coming up to more buy signals again, some big buy signals here, looking for that next leg upwards. And this is a stock that could have explosive growth. And so this looks very, very good, right around the $61 mark. Like it for a nice move upwards. The next is Intella Therapeutics, ticker symbol NTLA. And so this one has never had a sell signal that I'm seeing anywhere. And so it's just been buy signals, which is typically not the kind of stock that I like, but Cathie Wood likes this. She's done her research on it. Her research is available. You can find online. And we have lots and lots of buy signals here. So at $25, I think this one is a great deal, at least. The next is Teladoc, ticker symbol TDOC. And Teladoc Health, again, buy signals here. This has just been on a sell-off for a long time. We haven't seen sell signals. Last sell signal we had was in February of 21, so it's been a while. So that still would have been a really nice move, especially if we would have bought it in November here of 2020. Really nice move upwards from 205 all the way up to 293. That would have been a really nice move, but since it's just been a sell-a-thon here, so this one is one, you know, use some caution, maybe some of your own due diligence on this, but this is a stock that could be explosive to the upside. It definitely did well during the COVID phase of different things, and since then has really kind of come down. All right, next we have PagerDuty, ticker symbol PD. Lots and lots of buy signals here. This looks very, very strong. We haven't had any sell signals since 2021 when this crazy thing got all the way up to $56. So right now it is a really good buy at $20.17. Lots of buy signals here. I think this is a great value, definitely within the ARK ETF. This is a stock that looks very good. All right, Verve had a phenomenal day today, but it is nowhere near where it could be. It finished at, up to 1204. Finished up 27% today. You can see all these great buy signals. The other stocks within the ARKK ETF do not have buy signals at this time on the weekly chart. And so that is why I have picked these. You can see this has had some nice runs in the past, and it could see a nice run in the future. I like it for a move to the upside. And finally, Ceres Corporation, ticker symbol CERS. This had a decent day today. It's had lots and lots of buy signals, especially over the last couple of weeks. This is a really good buy, although 268 I thought it was a good buy, and it's down quite a bit from there. So this one will be interesting to see how it goes, but we haven't had that move to the upside as of yet on this stock, and I think this is one that could do very well. So there's lots of stocks within RK. There's a few here with some really good buy signals with the market pulling back like it has. I think that this is a good time. I like this time right now to be buying up stock. There are lots of people quitting the market right now that are really kind of freaking out. I'm not having the best of years here in 2023. When the Russell struggles, typically my strategies struggle also. I'm personally down about 16%, but I just keep buying these dips because I've had so many years of success doing this. I like it when the market pulls back because that means I can actually buy something. I don't like overpaying for stocks. I don't know how you feel, but that is something that I really don't like to do. Let me know what you think of this quick little series. If I get some sort of response, I'll do it more. If not, then I'll go back to what I always do and just talk about insiders. I've been real busy the last couple of weeks, haven't been able to make a lot of videos, but look forward to coming to you with more content. I wish you all the best on the stock market, and Raythoven out.